In this video, I'll show you how to connect Roku to Alexa or Google Assistant. Step 1. Prepare your devices. Ensure your Roku device, Alexa enabled device or Google Assistant device is powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open Alexa or Google Home app. Open the Alexa or Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Step 3. Enable Roku Skill/Link account. This is for Alexa. In the Alexa app, go to Menu and then Skills and Games. Search for Roku Skill and enable it. Sign in with your Roku account and authorize Alexa to access your Roku devices. Step 4. Link Roku device on Google Assistant. In the Google Home app, tap plus to add a device. Choose Setup Device and then Works with Google. Search for Roku and sign in with your Roku account to link the devices. Step 5. Discover devices and assign rooms. Allow the app to discover your Roku devices. Assign Roku devices to rooms or groups for organized control. Step 6. Use your voice commands. Use voice commands to control your Roku, such as Alexa, turn on Roku. Hey Google, launch Netflix on Roku. Alexa, pause Roku. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Both Alexa and Google Assistant will require a linked Roku account. Voice commands vary between Alexa and Google Assistant. Ensure Roku software is updated for the best compatibility. And that is how you set up a Roku on your Alexa or Google Assistant. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.